Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon jam. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of thick-cut bacon, 1 large onion, and 3 cloves of garlic. For the liquid components, prepare 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 1/2 cup of strong brewed coffee. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of brown sugar to balance the flavors. This combination creates a rich, savory, and slightly sweet jam. Start by cooking your 1 pound of thick-cut bacon in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat until it's wonderfully crispy. Once cooked, remove the bacon and set it aside on a paper towel-lined plate to drain. Carefully pour out most of the rendered bacon fat, leaving approximately 2 tablespoons in the pot. This reserved fat will be essential for sautéing the aromatics and building the jam's base. Chop the crispy bacon into small pieces. Next, add your chopped onion to the pot with the reserved bacon fat and sauté until it becomes translucent and soft, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, stir in the minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute more until fragrant. Now, pour in the 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Finally, add the 1/2 cup of strong brewed coffee and bring the entire mixture to a gentle simmer. Once the liquid is simmering, return the chopped crispy bacon to the pot. Stir everything together thoroughly, ensuring the bacon is well coated. Continue to simmer the mixture gently, stirring occasionally, for approximately 30 minutes. The jam is ready when the liquid has significantly reduced and thickened to a jam-like consistency. Let it cool completely before transferring it to an airtight container for storage in the refrigerator. Enjoy your delicious homemade bacon jam.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.